Big rigs, over-the-road racing, your winner. Bug Hay Starter 1, restart the game, close big rigs completely. Restart the game and test the same race again. If the issue repeats, continue with the next fixes. 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the big rigs executable, select Properties, Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Apply the settings and launch the game. 3. Use compatibility mode. Open the game's executable properties. Go to Compatibility. Test Windows XP or Windows 98 ME compatibility mode. Apply the setting and launch the game. 4. Enable Reduced Color Mode. Open Properties Compatibility for the game executable. Enable Reduced Color Mode if available. Test the game after applying the setting. 5. Disable full screen optimizations. Right-click the game executable. Open Properties Compatibility. Enable Disable full screen optimizations. Launch the game again. 6. Lower display settings. Use a lower resolution if the game has display problems. Avoid forcing modern widescreen resolutions through external tools. Test the original default display configuration first. 7. Disable modern overlays. Close Steam, recording, GPU, and other overlays before launching. Disable unnecessary background software. Start the game without overlays. 8. Reinstall DirectX components. Install the legacy DirectX components required by older Windows games. Restart Windows after installation. Launch Big Rigs again. 9. Reinstall the game. Back up any important files first. Uninstall Big Rigs. Restart your PC. Install the game again and test it with default settings. 10. Use a clean legacy setup. Big Rigs is an extremely old PC game, so modern Windows compatibility can be unpredictable. Test it on a supported legacy Windows environment if the normal compatibility options don't work. Avoid unofficial patches or downloads from unknown sources.